8196. Welcome. Hey, come on in and look. The room is really nice and bright. We like that a lot. Here, I'm gonna start right here in the bathroom because the door is right to the left. The on-off switch here. I don't think the air is on. It's not very warm today, so that's a good thing. But anyway, there's the temperature gauge. Here is the bathroom. It's a small bathroom, but hopefully comfortable because of the way they have the shower in the corner here. And we do like that there's a plexiglass door, nice looking shower handle. The shelves. People always ask about the plugs in the bathroom. There's usually just the one. We always call that the shaver outlet above the mirror. And a small sink, the commode, trash can, and the bath mat and extra toilet tissue, towels all ready to go. Nice hooks on the door so we can hang some things. On the other side of the door is a nice, full-length mirror. We have closets on two closets basically. Hanging space, the room shelves. These are our cups that we already picked up with our drink package. We are waiting for our bags, but we have those already. Just my carry-on bag. By the bed, there is a telephone, a little lamp, and then the lamp has USB and a regular plug. So should be enough outlet choices to power up. And a nice big TV. I don't know about the sizes. I'm gonna guess like 45 inches. I don't know. And then another closet. Maybe if you could do more hangings stuff. Unfortunately, this is just a weekend, so we don't have that much stuff, but we'll get organized. Okay, plugs along the desk area, which is great. Another nice mirror. I'm really liking this blue velvety chair. Very pretty, royal, very pretty. Here is the fridge cooler. It's not warm, but it's not cold yet either. But we'll get that going. Oops. There is a hair dryer in the drawer, and then tissues and a breakfast menu, but just regular drawer space. Believe this sofa is a pull-out, but either way, it looks like a nice little loungy area. You can sit and relax. The curtains, I kind of like the colors. Can you see the ombre blue? Get that ocean vibe, And then this cabin has an extended balcony, which we're very excited about. Hopefully you'll be able to see, step up so we don't fall. You'll be able to see the difference in how deep it is, in the loungers with the little footstool. We can just come out. Look at the Miami skyline. I always say it's the best port to pull out of because this is so pretty. Just wish it was a little bit warmer. But anyway, that is the cabin tour for cabin 8196 aboard Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. One quick note, even though it doesn't look like there's much room in between these two closets, the beds were able to be pulled apart and the night tables put in between in the middle. So if you need that configuration, just let your cabin steward know and they will take care of it for you right away. Yes. And here's one more look at the balcony. It's the view. Extended balcony, please.